is Hazelnut, and today we're going to do some crystal growing art. I got this for my birthday. I've been wanting to do it for a really long time. So this is what we're doing today. So let's just unbox this packaging. Ooh, I like this background. Kind of want to keep this. Ooh, yay! I just noticed it even came with a poster. Oh my gosh, it's big. I'm gonna put. Cool. Well, I've got two elastic bands. One kind of stringy, weird thingy majiggy. I've got a ring one. I've got 3 for necklaces. 2 necklaces shaped as stars. Got a little craft glue here. How do I take this chain out? That's long. Well, I've got 3 of these. Ooh, aluminum powder. That's what makes it a crystal. Now we're talking coloring. So I've got plasma pink, blast off blue, ultraviolet. Step 1 is to cover your surface with newspaper. Step 2 is to select the base of the charm that you want. I have chosen the star, circle, and the only ring. We take the glue, spread it over our bases, take the aluminum powder and spread it over all of them and let it sit for 3 hours. The aluminum powder is supposed to make the crystal. Use clay for the ring, because the ring, you know, like it's a ring. I can't do it on my finger or else it might spread everywhere. The aluminum powder with my finger on the ball. You get a star shape. We're gonna need to let them set. I'll see you guys in 3 hours. It has been 3 hours letting my charm sit. So now I'm going to take this string, it comes in the package, and this popsicle stick, and I'm going to tie this string around the popsicle stick. Wrap it around like this, and then you know you have this extra piece. Tie it to your charm you want to do first. I'm going to do my star, so I'm just going to loop it through the hole. Just a little tie, not a knot, but a tie. I'm going to put it into a glass full of hot water. Not boiling, but like a cup of tea. I'm going to have to put 1/5 of the aluminum powder into here. I've just got a spoon. Now I'm going to take my spoon, now stir it, the rest, till it's all dissolved. Place it into the hot water. There we go. Perfect. It is floating off the bottom. Now I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours. And then when I come back in 24 hours, this will be a crystal. So, see you guys in 24 hours. It's 24 hours later and our crystals have formed. You know I have a string tied around a popsicle stick and then it's tied onto my charm. But the string, like the string right here, went a little too far out at one point, so it's really cool because the crystal formed around the string. Let's take a look at that one. This is our star, and it has formed something really crazy. It is a crystal, just you know there's a string tied to a popsicle stick. So then the crystal formed around it because it was touching the part that it was supposed to crystallize. So here is our ring crystal. Wow. It made an extra crystallization here on the string. Somehow it just broke off the ring. Maybe it didn't have enough time to sit. Maybe we had to take it out. I don't know. And last but not least, the circle. The failure. Big failure. I see. I think I put a little too much glue, so it feels like I'm touching slime, like in my last video. Yeah, it is not a crystal. Now that we've pulled all of our crystals out, we're going to let them dry. I'm going to let them dry for 2 hours. I'll see you guys in 2 more hours. Now that our crystal jewelry has dried, the star formed into crystal. Okay, now I'm going to unravel it. It might turn out curly like mine, so I'm straightening it out. I've got the colors. For first, I'm going to do the pink. I'm done. My final thing. I really like the look of it. As you can see, it turned out very successfully. And also, here's some tips. Don't be too afraid to put a lot of aluminum powder when you're doing this. And also, don't put too much glue, or else it will end up like my circle. And also with the die, let a parent help you open it, because it just dyed my hand blue. Look at this. It dyed it blue. So always have a parent to help you with that. This is how my crystal jewelry turned out. Especially when it's on me, it looks good. Bye, everybody. See you on the next video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and subscribe. Bye, everybody.